Hi everyone on YouTube land. It's great to be back here on YouTube and trying to find my knife. But anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I am Brandon Plumley, aka Remix Plum, here on Brandon Plumley Television. This is a new video for September of 2019. Figure out where my knife is. So as soon as I find the knife, we will get ready to unbox an item that I got in the mail today. 2 pounds from Amazon. I don't know if I can probably do this without a knife, but well, maybe I can, maybe I can't, I don't know. So let me go ahead and whip it up. Okay, so I don't need a knife. Yep, I know what's inside. Alright, look at that, guys. Use this to donate. Yeah, anyway, first up, ladies and gentlemen, that I got on Amazon.com. This is my first ever PDP thing. This is the Sonic the Hedgehog controller. I know that the video is not going to do justice on that, but yeah, yep. So this is Sonic the Hedgehog PDP controller. Very awesome. I can't wait to use it. I got the Sonic one. It cost me 25 bucks on Amazon, and this one is my new Android box. Again, it just has a smart TV, and it opens up like that. And inside is the box itself, the media box. And it does come with batteries, which is good. The remote right here, so that's your remote. Okay, no, these are not batteries. Okay, no, never mind. I don't think they come with any batteries. But they do give you an AC plug for the box, HDMI cable to hook up to the television, the remote. I don't think it comes with any batteries. Nope. So I'll have to put in some batteries here. And again, guys, I know. You guys are gonna look at it weird because, you know, because obviously the video is kind of mirrored and stuff, so I can't do nothing about it. But here's the remote, pretty cool. And the box itself, it's gonna be all fingerprints and stuff when I use it. But anyway, I can tell you it has HDMI, has an AV thing, which is kind of weird. They didn't include that in the box. They have an Ethernet jack. And I have that to plug into the power. And the other side has a micro SD card slot and 2 USB ports. And this is my second Android box, everybody. The first one I had back in 2017 or so, it quit on me. This is my second Android box, and I cannot wait to use it. And there you guys go. So hopefully I'll make more videos for you guys here on YouTube. Sorry, it's just... I've been doing a lot of things lately. OBS is crashing on me and all that other stuff, so I do apologize about that, guys. So anyway, that's my new Android box. And I will take a picture of this. I won't be unboxing this on this video, but I'm going to take a picture. And again, this is Sonic the Hedgehog controller that I bought. Again, this was $25 on Amazon, and it's pretty nice. Alright guys, I'm Remix Plum, and thank you guys for tuning in, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll have more videos for you all coming your way on my YouTube channel. Thanks for your support, and thanks for watching, everyone, and I miss you all. See you in the next video. Peace.